If you struggle with your daily material so much that you don't know what to create with it, however, watch this video till the end and see the magic you're going to perform after watching it, because this is absolutely simple. I'm going to be explaining in detail, so listen to me, watch it step by step, and tell me in the comment section if you're going to be trying it out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple headwrap tutorials. Let's get into it. Following it in steps. Step 1, grab your material, fold an inch in, place on your head and make the material equal. Right now, go to the back and cross it right to left, left to right, not minding the one that goes up and the one that falls under, because they are of equal division. So we proceed to the next step, which is going to be opening up the crossed part. The both side is going to be opened up. Now let's move forward to the next step. Use your hand to divide those parts into two. Look at me here. So press the material downward, just press it downward like you're making rough pleats. So on getting here, we need just a band. We're going to use it to replace our hand right there. Now twist that part like that, take it to the back and go find a way to secure it by dipping it in, or you use your pin to secure. After securing, we are left with this one on top, which we're going to fold a bit in to give us this coffee shape. Now direct the last angle to the pleated part. Is it pleated? No, to the twisted part. Grab a pin and tack it together. So once it is being tacked together, we are left with only one flap of the material, which we're going to be using to create the magic. Now just open it up like we opened up earlier, roll it or twist it like this inward. So after twisting, we're going to place it at the back of this shape we created, and trust me, you only need one pin or you dip it in, but I would advise you use a pin to make sure it is properly secured. So I pin down here, and what we have to do, the back is perfectly okay, nothing to touch. Now we come back to the front and use our hand to adjust. You are definitely going to see where you need to adjust after time, so take your time and adjust all adjustables. If you have watched this length, I believe you have learned one or two things and you like what you see. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple headwrap tutorials like this. Share this video and do give a thumbs up. Yes, like this video, that's what I mean. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace out.